Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
These are a set of Faberware knives that I got Lydia a while back. And they work very nicely, but they dull fairly quick. This one, it'll catch, but it won't really cut. Now, I've spent a lot of time with oil stones and water stones and all kinds of things, trying to come up with an edge that would cut and still not take days to come back to where it should be. Then I got this. Now, I'm mostly spending the time polishing the top of the blade because it's all boogered up. One to catch the side, another to catch the top, one to catch the bottom. Now I got the blade polished up, and one to sharpen. This is a much finer wheel, so it really shines it. One along the bottom. Nice sharp knife.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.